This is a holiday today, you know. I'm sorry, I'm like this because it's holiday. Today, in fact, from yesterday,
Yeah, yesterday.
it's supposed to be Easter, right?
Right.
So I apologize. I don't know. Huh? I hope I'm not, I'm not preventing you from doing your religious duties. Huh?
We are imposing on you in your home, sir, so thank you. Professor Tarek, Liverpool.
How do you call it? Somebody from Liverpool is a Liverpudlian. No?
Liverpudlian.
Is it that correct? Yes, I did ask to see the people from the universities.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.